Hello, welcome to Life in Pig Row, and today it's absolutely rotten in the garden. I'm also self-isolating, so rather than bemoan that and the fact that I can't get in the garden, I'm going to show you how to make your own seed packet without any glue or any sellotape. It's an easy piece of origami. Making your own seed packet without any need for sellotape or glue is really easy. You take a square piece of scrap paper and you fold it into a triangle. Then you take this side and you fold it up like so. Then you repeat on this side like so. And this is where it gets tricky. You've got two flaps up here now, and the idea is you've got to get it in here on the outside, and then fold it down like so, and you will find one seed packet. Write down the seed on there. When you're finished, tuck that in as well, and you'll have a complete seed packet in less than a minute. Thanks for watching that video. If you enjoy what we do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the little bell and it'll notify you next time we post a video up. Until next time, bye bye.